Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, May 1st, first day of May. What's the sell in May and go away? So it's an old stock market saying sell in May and go away. So we're in May. I'm not going to say anything other than the market is starting to have some storm clouds gather. Ugly day yesterday. We'll talk about that in just a second. This morning we had at 8:15, we had ADP non-farm employment change, which was better than expected. And this is really a conundrum because what I'm hearing from friends, relatives, that they are applying for jobs, but nobody's getting called back. I have a friend in California who has applied for 400 or more jobs in the last couple of months and has gotten nothing back. So the question is whether these jobs are being posted or even real jobs at all. We'll talk about that in just a second. 9:45, we have final manufacturing PMI, a red item. All these are red items today, some wicked ones. 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing PMI and the JOLTS job openings number, which I'm starting to believe is not even a credible number, because from what I'm hearing and I'm also reading things about it on LinkedIn and other places that the jobs are they just don't exist, even though you're applying to them or they're posted. And also, this is a great tongue twister if you like tongue twisters. JOLTS job openings. JOLTS job openings. Say that 5 times fast. Yeah, it's a hard one. Also have ISM manufacturing prices, which is an orange item, and construction spending, which is a yellow item. The awards total vehicle sales. I watch this because I want to see the macro trend of what's going on with car sales. That'll be released all day long as the different car companies release their sales. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. And then we have the big mama jamba. Yeah, we have the big thing here. We got 2 p.m., we got federal funds rate, FOMC meeting minutes and statement and press conference at 2:30. Big time. Powell will be letting us know what's going to happen to interest rates in the near future. I do not expect them to do anything at all, nothing today, but we will see what they project out. Lots of things are pointing to the Fed staying put for an extended period of time, maybe even the rest of the entire year. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. 2 p.m. will be extraordinarily volatile in the market, so be aware. So what else do we got going on? Let's minimize this and look at the daily chart. Daily, ugly day yesterday. Man, is that ugly. Closed at, not on the lows, but close to the lows, and we're gapping down. Little bit of a spike in volume, not much. Actually, you can see that line there is the average volume, so we're just at average volume, which means we have not seen any panic selling yet. Whether we do or not, we'll show on the next screen that the buy the dip folks are fully in place and buying as price is going down. Eventually, when price breaks, maybe below this low, those people are going to panic out. We will have that traditional whoosh as the market goes down. That's what I think will happen. Where could we go? We could test these lows, which would be the 5,022. Really, 5,000 is definitely on the radar for today. 5,100 is also pivotal. We got to get above and close above 5,100. Otherwise, we're going to continue to move down towards this low. So 5,100, 5,000. Those are the numbers. Looking at the inventory. So we had down price action, and we actually had a positive inventory. So again, you see this prices coming down and people are buying, which I don't think is very smart, but hey, who knows? Maybe last resort, they just keep buying because eventually it'll go back up. Well, if you believe that, I hope you have a big account and can handle the giant margin, giant drawdown that is probably coming our way. I'm very bearish actually, my overall stance here. Until something changes, It's going to be that way for a while. I do think we're going to possibly test those lows from a few weeks ago. Overnight action, what do we have going on? We got 37 to 65. It's about 28 points above average. So volatility should be above average as well. Where is intermediate support and resistance? Resistance on the top side, there's some resistance 70. I want to call that 72. 50, 72, 50, 91. 5100, of course, will be a big number. And there's not a lot of clear stuff. 51, 41. On the downside, at least we have some better confluence. We have 58, 32, or 50, 32, 50, 32, 5,006. Below 5,000, we have 49.95. And if we go a little bit farther, you can see right down here at 49.70 area is the kind of the bottom area of support. There you go. Nothing really. I mean, it's just setting up for an ugly day. We'll have to see what happens. Remember to keep your stops tight. Don't move your stops. And remember, you want to conserve capital, preserve capital so you can trade another day. Have a great one. See you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.